The Puma is a small crossover based on the Fiesta, RIP, a car we liked very much. The styling is softer than the previous era of Fords, with gently curved sides sitting below a waistline that's visually lengthened by a black strip at the base of the screen pillar. This draws your eye back horizontally from the bonnet, rather than up to the roof. Being based on the Fiesta, it ought to be fun to drive in a way very few small crossovers actually are. But before the Puma there was another small crossover based on the Fiesta. It was called the EcoSport, and it was absolute rubbish. In fact, Ford's crossovers are pretty spotty. While the Kuga's dent, does anyone remember seeing an edge on British roads? Or a Ka Plus Active? Deserved flops, the pair of them, moribund long before they actually pegged it a few years back. The Puma is at heart a taller, longer Fiesta. And that's pretty much how it steers and rides, with the Puma ST being a genuine surprise. But there's more to it than that, because as runaway sales of the existing small crossovers prove, dynamics have barely registered in buyers' priorities. To stand out among rivals, the Puma needs more than just driving smarts. And it has. Number 1, it has some really rather clever ideas around its rear end. Yeah, Top Gear doesn't normally home in on the boot this far up a review. Because boots are boring. But having to leave your stuff behind is boring too. And so is cleaning out the wet carpet of a boot that's been soiled by muddy gear.